Hi friends, it's time for small groups. Today we are going to talk about which has more. Which has more. So, Miss Charles has a bag of almonds and I have a bag of blocks. So we're going to count and compare which has more and which has fewer. So more means a lot, okay? And fewer means less, okay? So we're going to count first. Let's count the almonds. Let's see how many almonds. Do you think there's more almonds or blocks? Tell your mom or your dad. What's your guess? Do you think we have more almonds? Look at that. Or do you think we have more blocks? Hmm. Well, first let's count the almonds. So I'm going to count them. I'm going to line them up here on the table. Okay, and we'll see how many almonds we have. So let's see. Here's one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So there were 23 almonds in the bag. See, the bag is empty now. And almonds are a type of nut. Miss Charles likes to eat almonds, so I decided to show you what those are. So now we're going to count our blocks. Do you think we have 23 blocks in here? Let's count. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had our block bag is empty. We had 7 blocks. So Miss Charles is going to write 7 for the block. And we had 23 almonds. 23. Which item did we have more of, friends? Were there more almonds or more blocks? Yes, we had more almonds. 23 is a larger number than 7. So that means we have more almonds and we have fewer blocks. We have more almonds, fewer blocks. 23 is larger than 7 or more than 7. So thank you for helping me count our blocks, and we talked about more and fewer. Can you find some things around your house that you have more of? Maybe you have more Legos and maybe you have less cars. Or maybe you have more Barbie dolls and less big baby dolls. So, or you might have more blocks and less stuffed animals. So can you find something in your house that you have more of and then find something in your house that you have less of? More, less, or more and fewer. All right, friends, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.